friends, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about using slopes to compare unit rates. A couple of things that you need to know before we get into the example is our slope is the exact same thing as the rate of change, or our rate. And don't forget to grab your notebook and write this down. Pause the video if you need to. A rate of change, a rate, this word right here is really just another word for a ratio, and a ratio is another word for a fraction. So all these things are interchangeable, rate, ratio, fraction. And the reason I say that is because our rate, aka our slope, is found by using this slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Notice it's a fraction, it's a ratio, right? So the other thing that you'll want to know here is the word per means divide. And remember, divide is just a fraction, just like these guys here. Okay, so let's look at our example with that information in mind. Train A travels 75 miles per hour. Train B travels based on this table. Okay, looking at this table, we need to figure out what the train goes per hour. Let's back up actually and talk about train A here. This goes 75 miles per, remember per means divide, 1 hour. Okay, I wrote a note here because I wanted to remind you, the word unit in math just means one. So when we talk about unit rates, we're looking for the one. What is it per one item? So 75 miles per 1 hour is just written like this. Bam, we've got our unit rate. Now here, we know 3 hours, they're going this many miles, 5, 9. We don't have a 1 here, so we have to find it. And so we use our slope formula in order to find that. Grab 2 points off of your table. It doesn't matter which points. I'm going to just grab the first 2 here. I have 3, 234, and then I have 5, 390. All right, for our slope formula, remember this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. And for me, I'm a visual learner, so I remember it like this. This is why I always stack mine. This minus this over this minus this. So what we're going to do is take 390 minus 234, that's our y2 minus our y1, over 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. All right, let's take a look at that. We've got 390 minus 234. That's going to give us 156. So stack it right here. 156 over 5 minus 3 is going to give us 2. Now remember, we're talking unit rates, so we need 1 because the word unit means 1. So I take that 156 and I divide that by 2. I end up with 78. And remember, this is what was on top, and these are miles. So 78 miles per 1 hour, because then this is what was on bottom was hours. So what we have is train A is 75 miles per 1 hour. Oops, that's supposed to be an hour there. And then train B is going to be 78 miles per 1 hour. So based on these unit rates, which train is faster? Train B. We want 78 miles per hour. Hope this helps. Look forward to seeing you next time.